Good day everyone, welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to write linear equations of a vertical line. Here are some conditions to spot a vertical line. So, if the slope is undefined and you're given any point, and if you're given 2 points having the same x-coordinate. Okay, so the formula for vertical form is x is equal to h, where h is the x-coordinate of the given point or points. Okay, let's have some example for vertical form. For example, we're going to write the equation of the line that will have an undefined slope and it will pass through the point for -7. Now, knowing that we have an undefined slope, automatic we're going to have a vertical line. And the vertical line has an equation of x is equal to h, where h is our x-coordinate of the given point. So we will just copy the x-coordinate of the given point and substitute it to h. So our equation will be x is equal to 4. Alright. Okay, let's have another example. So for example, we're going to write the equation of the line that has an undefined slope and it will pass through -6, 4. So in this case, since we're given an undefined slope, we will use the vertical form. So x is equal to h. Now let's get our h. It is just the x-coordinate of our given point, so it is -6. Replacing h by -6, our equation of the line is x is equal to -6. Alright, okay, let's have another example. So for example, we're going to get the equation of the line passing through 2, 7 and 2, -8. Instead of using the 2-point form, let's observe our x-coordinate. Since we have the same x-coordinate, we will have a vertical line. So we can use our vertical form. So x is equal to h. So we will just copy our x-coordinate and substitute that in our equation. So we will have the equation of the line, which is x is equal to 2. Let's have our last example for today. So for example, we're going to look for the equation of the line that will pass through the points -9, 3 and -9, 7. Now, observing our coordinates that is present, we have the same x-coordinate. Knowing that we have the same coordinate, we will use the vertical form. So for the vertical form, we're going to use x is equal to h. And h is our x-coordinate. So let's just copy our x-coordinate and replace h by it. We will have the equation of the line, which is x is equal to -9. Alright. Now that you already know how to write linear equation of a vertical line, it is your turn to try it. Please click the link in our description box below in order for you to test your skills. That's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video.